Hi guys! Bows are super popular this Christmas, so I'm going to show you an easy way to make beautiful bows for your Christmas tree or your garlands or your decor. So I cut this one at 40 inches and I just made a loop. Now I'm moving over 2 or 3 inches, going to make another loop and pinch it together. Try to get your loops the same size. Now I'm taking my right loop and I am going to go over the top of my left one, and then see that little hole? I'm going to pull the right loop through that hole. Takes a little bit of patience, and then you have a beautiful, simple, single bow. It just takes a little bit of time to adjust your loops to make sure they're the same size. And then don't forget to trim your tails the length that you want and straighten out the centerpiece so that the velour or velvet or felt is showing. So simple to make this single bow. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it was very helpful for you. There are lots of different styles of bows and lots of different ways to tie bows. I have a bow tutorial playlist, so if this is not the bow tutorial you're looking for, in the description box I'll link my bow tutorial playlist and hopefully you'll find something that you like.